Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and in our series of landscaping my neighbour's garden. So it's all clear now, so I don't know if you can see behind me, but there's no weeds, no brambles, just an empty canvas. So this is the start of the landscaping. So down here behind me, just down there, is going to be the patio. So we're just going to measure that out. We've got all the materials ready. We just need to level it off, get the weed membrane down, and then we can put the hard core down on top of that, make sure it's a nice base, and then we can get the patio laid. So as always, enjoy. So the first job, as we mentioned, is to get this area level for the patio. The slabs are 600 by 600 mil, and we're going to go 4x4, so that's 2.4 meters by 2.4. Should be plenty enough for a nice table and chairs and somewhere to sit. So it's relatively level, but we're going to use the level at the back just over there, and we'll level it across. So we're just going to measure it out and then level it before adding the weed membrane and the hard core. So let's crack on. So a bit of a change of plan, although the corner was quite level, it's still quite soft. So what I'm doing now is digging it down. It's a little bit more of a hard core, so this will be better for the patio to sit on. So we'll still put the weed membrane down, we'll still put the hard core on top, but at least gives us a firmer base to start from. So we're just currently now digging that out, leveling it off, and then we can get that weed membrane set and we can start laying a patio. So that's the base dug out for the patio, all leveled off. Just need to get the weed membrane down and get the sub base down, get the hardcore on top ready to lay the patio. Let's get the weeds present down. So that's the weed membrane down and the bags of sub base. So just get them opened and spread out, and we can call it a day. For today, that is. So that's the weeds present down and the hard coat. So next, time to start paving. So we'll crack on with that, and then let's get this patio installed. Alright, so all the flags are in for this patio, the hard core's down, weed membrane's down, just mapped it out with the flag, so we're going to go 5x5. These are just 400mm slabs, so we're just going to mix up some cement. I'm going to go with a 5:1 ratio, because it's ground's pretty solid, so it doesn't need to be too rigid. It'll give me a bit of play in the slabs. So we're all organised. We've got the bags of cement and sand, so we'll get mixing and we'll get these let's get some slabs down, shall we? So patio's coming on now. A few slabs down, 8 slabs out of 25, so it's looking alright. I'll leave a gap between, because I'm thinking rather than put mortar in between it, I'll get some pea shingle which will then match the gravel. It'll look really nice, and then around the edges some more nice gravel. Yes, coming on nicely. So that's the patio complete. Well, slabs laid anyway. But rather than join them with mortar, I think some nice golden pea shingle will match the gravel path, will look lovely in that. So I'll get some of that, I think, and then shingle around the edges, just trim this side bit back. But yeah, patio now laid. So now the patio's done. I've added in 3 slabs there that can be used to put a bench on. So rather than sit on the patio, you can just sit out on the bench, and that will be filled again with pea shingle and then the gravel around it. So productive day. Patio laid and a little area for a bench. Perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.